man, look. Oh yeah, freaking thing wants to spin. Let's pump this juice up. Let's go down here and see what it is. We're gonna spray everything over everything he just spent. Make sure the rubber is still hot. Oh yeah, guys, we're gonna keep spraying this thing down, dude. That spray that we put on here earlier that you seen us spend about 20 minutes on, yeah, it wasn't enough. We're gonna use some more of that stuff that I got from my buddy after we did from college. Oh yeah, now we're bringing out a barrel. We're gonna get this flamethrower on it. I know what to do to this thing here. Don't look over here at me. Yeah, that guy smokes weed. He should have a lighter. Oh yeah, we're gonna put a stop to this. Bring the flamethrower out, crank the heat up. We're gonna scrape this thing now. We're gonna have to do it manually. Someone, Bob, go get the dinghy. We're gonna have to do this thing manually. These tractors aren't working. Freak. We don't want you guys to think that we're not doing anything to stop you guys from spinning. We want you guys to get the maximum time possible. We're gonna scrape this thing even if it takes it manually. We're gonna do it, dude. We just left Ace, guys, in Home Depot. Yeah, we had to leave Ace because Home Depot didn't have it. Oh yeah, but dude, we're gonna get this thing scraped up. We're gonna scrape the glue that we just took 45 minutes putting on. We're gonna scrape it back off and glue it back on. Dude, we play no games here at freaking Ennis, man. Oh yeah, I have my buddies here. I can pay them top dollar, dude. We put out in a PPP loan. We have money for days, man. We have sponsors for this, dude. Oh yeah, I got my buddy Bubba. Bubba, he's gonna hold that flamethrower and get this thing out. Fire in the hole, man. Oh yeah, dude. Get this thing out. Put it on a dolly. Oh yeah. Put the old rubber there and just keep scraping it. Make it look like you're really picking up more and more. Oh yeah, scrape it. Now rub it back in. Oh yeah, now scrape it back up and rub it back in. Oh yeah, dude, this dude knows his shit, man. Oh yeah, he's a professional, man. Oh yeah. Bubba, don't let it burn. Keep pushing it, Bubba. Oh yeah, man, this guy's here, he knows his shit, man. Oh yeah, scrape it up. Yeah, I bet some of that is about 45 minutes worth of glue. Yeah, that's that same glue that my buddy did back in college, dude. This shit here is badass, man. This is one of the best. We want you guys to know that we're the best out here in Ennis, Texas, and we're gonna do whatever it takes, even if it takes us to do this thing manually. We're gonna get this track scraped up and dried out with new glue and everything on it, dude. We're gonna get the rubber. We're gonna have your shoes peeling, trying to take your soles off, dude. We're gonna get to your soles and rip your shoestrings loose from your shoe, Bubba. Yeah, now we're gonna get another fire truck down here. There's something else going on their other side. We're gonna get down here and get to the bottom of it. I'm gonna scrape this rubber up and put it back down and lay it back down. Oh yeah, we're heating it up and smearing it back in. Yeah, get that spot right there, Bubba. You didn't see it? Oh yeah. Scrape it right up. I'm gonna smear it back down, dude. These guys are gonna get extra freaking traction, dude, when they come back around here. Who are these guys? Get the wheelbarrow, dude, and the dolly. Bring it to the left side of the track. I think I seen a spot on the other track. Hey, Bubba, bring the dolly over to the other side of the track with the flamethrower. Make sure it's on maximum flame. We're gonna throw all the fuel at it and take some timing out of it and do this here, Bubba. Oh yeah. We're gonna bring some of the rubber from the other side of the track too. So, yeah, we're gonna smear it down. Oh yeah, once they see me put all this rubber down, they're gonna say, oh yeah, look at these guys, really work. We went and got the best flamethrower in the business for the job. We don't play no games here, dude. Our other buddy that's like the owner of this thing, oh yeah, he went and filed for a PPP loan, man. Oh yeah, extra 100 grand. We have enough to pay all the guys here. This one here that they got is extra heavy duty. Yeah, it can hold up to 10,000 Fahrenheit of heat. I don't even feel it in my hands. And even if I did, I'm getting paid enough to smear it back in, thanks to my buddy with the PPP loan. One of his buddies showed him how to do it, got 100 grand. Then he showed his other buddy, the one that would make the glue back in college, he got 100 grand too. He has a construction business. Then he told his other buddy, and his buddy got 100 grand too. Oh yeah, now we have big credit cards and we just go buy things like this, flamethrowers and John Deere's. We have unlimited money, man. Unlimited money. All these guys for the $275, they pay like a tuition to be here, dude. Oh yeah, and we just use their money and we buy flamethrowers and propane and glue. Yeah, my buddy owns the glue company though, so the money just rotates back. We keep this money rotating. It never really leaves us, dude. We put it in our bank. Oh yeah, dude. We're fucking genius. Oh, we're ready to get this thing sticky, dude. We want to lift your sock off your foot, dude. We don't want you to even have shoes. Matter of fact, we want you to step foot on the track one time and back because you don't want to lose your shoe, dude. Oh, dude, we have another oil spill, man. I seen a speck of oil down at the 8th mile mark. We're gonna get right on it right now, dude. Freaking vacuum clean it up. Oh yeah, I'm gonna bring the stick with me. Did you see that, Bob? Okay. Derek Kelly. Oh boy, yeah, he tried to burn me down. Yeah, I wasn't going for it. Yeah, he burned me down, caused a backfire. Probably freaking did a wheelie, landed on the ground, busted the oil pan, leaking oil all the way down the track. We're gonna need 434 dispatch. Could you bring us 10 more gallons of glue to the front? Yeah, we're gonna have to go ahead and apply them to the John Deere. And it's gonna be oh yeah, we got my buddy right here. He has another 2.5 gallons already. He's getting it ready. Oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and put it on around 20 feet of the track. Oh yeah. Go ahead and turn it off. We're gonna need to get the tractor. We gotta go get him. Someone go get the thing. Oh yeah, back up guys. I'm gonna be very rude right now. You better be out of my way before yeah, this thing has been running. Wait a minute, warn you over. Yeah, the glue that my buddy built back when we were in college. Oh yeah, dude. While we was building this glue, dude, we were spending all of our money on the experiment, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to apply another coating of glue. We're gonna add about 4 more barrels of glue on this ground, dude. We're gonna go all the way down to the 330. Oh yeah, man, this John Deere is badass, man. Here at the Texas Motorplex, we don't care. We're gonna put Gorilla Glue on. Oh yeah, we're gonna have this thing sticking, dude. I walk down the track with this extra glue. We keep refilling this thing, man. 2.5 gallons. I'm gonna walk around with it and spray it. Have to get special shoes to do this. Dude, my freaking shoe is so wet that it has glue all over it, dude. Like, these shoes are specifically made for me to do this at this track. Oh yeah, dude, I put glue all over my shoes. I don't even tie them anymore because they're glued together. I call the other buddy, and he brings the blower, and he blows into it. And then I come back by with a John Deere tractor, and I just freaking smear all the glue inside of the track, dude. We're gonna get this thing freaking covered. Dude, once we go over it with the tractor, with the John Deere and the rubber scrub, yeah, we're gonna go back over it with this chemical glue that my buddy made in college. Oh yeah, dude, we're gonna get this thing soaked in. We just refilled 2.5 barrels of it on the back of this 4-wheeler. Yeah, it's a 1000 cc, goes about 30 miles an hour at a constant speed. We got a 180 gallon fuel pump pumping the glue. John Deere.